Want to know how to make voice calls in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application. So we have also created a video on how to download Messenger, so make sure to watch it. Now just simply open up any chat of your friend that you like. So now once you have opened up your chat, you should be provided with this chat interface right here with various themes. So right here you should be seeing on top your friend's name or nickname, and right beside that you should be seeing two options. Now in order to voice call, you can just simply select this voice call option right here, and that is the phone icon. So you can just simply select it, and once that is done, the call should be dialed to your friend, and that's it. This is how you easily voice call your friend in Messenger. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more videos. See you in the next one.